We will tell you more, but for now, a big breaking news is coming in. Prime Minister Modi has arrived in Wayanad, where he is conducting an aerial survey after the landslides that claimed the lives of around 400 people. The Prime Minister there, accompanied by Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan. Of course, Prime Minister taking review of rescue and rehabilitation work that's underway in the aftermath of the landslides. Viewers, the Prime Minister was scheduled to visit Wayanad today to take stock of the rehabilitation efforts that are also underway, and those live visuals on your screens, the Prime Minister and the Chief Minister on board the chopper taking aerial survey of the location in Wayanad. This is of course after Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi also visited the area. Of course, Wayanad being the former parliamentary constituency of Rahul Gandhi. Now Prime Minister Modi conducting an aerial survey. Let's tell you viewers, the tragic landslides, the biggest such in Kerala in the recent few months, claimed the lives of over 400 people, while several in fact remained missing. At least 100 missing complaints were registered, around 120 in these landslides. The rescue operations of course went on for days, and now those latest visuals of the Prime Minister on board the chopper conducting the aerial survey of Wayanad. The Prime Minister has of course earlier arrived in Kannur, and he visiting Wayanad, and now is also expected to interact with the survivors as he will take stock of the rehabilitation efforts. Prime Minister Modi, Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan and Governor Arif Mohammed Khan all left in the IAF's Mi-17 helicopter for this aerial survey. The visuals that we are bringing you live right now, viewers. Union Minister of State for Petroleum and Tourism Suresh Gopi is also accompanying them. Prime Minister is also later scheduled to chair a meeting during which he will brief in detail about the incident and the ongoing relief efforts. His visit is of course crucial for rehabilitating the landslide devastated people. The ruling front and the opposition had requested the central government to declare July 30 earthfall that flattened Churalmala, Mundakai and Attamala localities a national disaster. The search for the missing people in the Churalmala, Mundakai landslides is of course continuing. Although no new bodies were retrieved, the search teams did retrieve 7 bodies from different parts. The death toll in fact actually has officially been confirmed at 224. This was a few days ago on August 6. As of now, Prime Minister and other dignitaries have left for Churalmala, and Modi and leaders doing the aerial survey earlier were now traverse through the terrain to assess the impact of the disaster. Ministers and state BJP leaders received Prime Minister at Kalpetta earlier. Prime Minister is on board the IAF Mi-17 chopper along with the Governor of the state Arif Mohammed Khan and Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan and Union Minister of State for Petroleum Suresh Gopi. The team was welcomed by Revenue Minister K. Rajan, Tribal Minister O.R. Kelu and state leaders of the BJP. 224 was the last official death toll that was confirmed by authorities, and hunt of course continues to locate those that remain missing.